Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Everyone is cheering for the NHS staff and our frontliners, sorry, our frontliners. So woo, special so guys, obviously I forgot what I'm talking about. Today I'm going to be installing my eyelashes that I bought from Superdrug. I paid $2.99 for these. They've got a mink look to them. There they are in the pack. So got my little son here helping me out. You know, big up to him. He's my biggest supporter. We don't want no hater. We just want support. And my son is one of my biggest supporter. My son, my youngest son, he is one of my biggest supporter. I appreciate him so much. And guys, I want to thank you all as well for supporting me genuinely. I do appreciate you all so much. Thank you guys, been amazing. Big up to the NHS staff and all the frontliners. We do appreciate you all. You can hear the cheering in the background. That's what it is for, guys. So yes, big up to them. Big up, big up, big up, big up. Please, please, Lara, come see if you can see what I'm doing now. So guys, I'm holding on here, looking for my lashes, and then I'm just gonna. So I'm leaving that one to dry. As easy as 1, 2, 3. ABC, do re mi.
What's that? You know what that was?
I'm here alone born. Never plus one, so no. If you trick me this time. Yeah, I'm here alone born. Guys, I'm not a twin. I'm not a double or a triplet. I'm a single me. I'm here alone. Larry was born. Larry, my mother. So guys, now I'm installing what I'm using to put on my eyelashes. Air glue, because they can remove easily without putting no actual lashes. All you have to do is soak it in a bit of oil, something oily, coconut oil, shea butter, anything you've got oily, use it, guys. So my Superdrugs lashes look good still. They're looking nice. Look if everything's running smooth for me, Lara.
Hold on.
Look if everything's running smooth.
Yep.
Got my biggest fan with me, as I said, my son. Big up you, Lara.
Yeah.
He's like, yeah. Okay, guys, so just look. Put it down there. Down there. And she's on. Look at her. She is looking lovely. Lovely doubly. So now I'm just gonna be that went dry. That never dry at all. So I'm putting some more glue. This one a bit there, so I can put it down there. And there you go, guys, good to go. If you feel like cleaning up around your eyes, you just pluck. Take your time. Girls with Attitude. Fabulous, light, and easy to apply. It is. It's easy to apply, guys. It's easy to apply. So, there you go, guys. You have it. Let me see if everything's on safe. I embarrass myself. It's on safe. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And this lashes is called GWA. It's easy as peasy. As 1, 2, 3. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye. End it for me, please, guys.